The Kottawa Forest Reserve is located along the major road leading to Udugama Township in the northeast of Galle. You can easily go there by searching Google Maps as Kottawa Arboretum. The ticketing center is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and a ticket costs about 75 rupees for locals and 900 rupees for foreigners. Only roughly 37 acres make up this isolated sliver of low-country rainforest. However, it possesses every characteristic of a regular rainforest. The vegetation is of the wet evergreen variety, with towering trees straining skyward for sunshine and close-knit canopies blocking sunlight from reaching the forest floor. This woodland is a lush, evergreen tropical forest. Upon entering the Kottawa Rainforest, you came across a few little pathways that lead in different directions. A different footpath leads to a natural water tank. Tourists find this location to be the most alluring. They all go there to take baths. Additionally, Kottawa Rainforest is a lovely bird haven. Tree ferns and Dipterocarpus species predominate in the vegetation, and on the towering tree trunks of these species, moss and orchids thrive. This woodland has a past that extends back to World War II. This woodland served as the location of the British Empire's Security Operations Headquarters during World War II. This forest, which spans about 10 hectares and has roughly 72 types of woody plants, is also home to unique animal species. A 38-acre forest park was designated in 1931 for research on this forest, and in 1937 it was given the name Kottawa Forest Park. Kottawa was thereafter given the name Kottawa Reserve. About 170 tree species have been found in the region, of which 100 are unique to the nation. The botanic names of about 80 common tree species have been determined and assigned numbers. Around 70 different bird species, including 12 endemics, can be seen in the Kottawa Arboretum, including the yellow-fronted barbet, brown-capped babbler, spot-winged thrush, Sri Lankan spurfowl, and gray hornbill. Additionally, it is a great location to view some stunning Sri Lankan butterflies, including birdwing, tree nymph, clipper, blue oakleaf, and more. In the forest's canopy, the purple-faced leaf monkey, take monkey, and giant squirrel are the dominant species. Beautiful Sri Lankan non-venomous snakes and unique agamid lizards are among the reptiles that can be found in the region. A variety of freshwater fish are found in the unpolluted streams that run through the forest, the majority of which are indigenous to the nation. It is advised to take precautions against leeches, as you may come across them so often, especially during rainy season.